What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Xman Co. Today I'm sharing one of our favorite sauces with you, Jack Daniel's Sweet Sticky Sauce. Stay tuned. This sauce that we're going to make here today, we love to use on our chicken wings. So I'm actually going to use this sauce in one of my next videos where I'm collaborating with one of my friends in the USA. His channel is called Eat This Grinds and Cocktails. Look out for that one. Right, without further ado, let's get stuck in this. So here we have some tomato sauce, olive oil, vinegar. We've got some sugar. Also got Worcestershire sauce, garlic and paprika. On the side here we have our honey and Jack Daniel's. I'll leave all the quantities for you in the description below. Some tomato sauce, olive oil, some vinegar, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, Worcester sauce, crushed garlic, some paprika, a dash of honey, don't be shy. And then of course for the grand finale, right at the end, you don't have to use this, but we find it delicious. Jack Daniel's Tennessee honey, you can use the original as well. Just enough of that as well. Right, let's mix this up. Well, there you have it. There's our sauce, and it smells like it always does. Let's see if it still tastes the same. Oh, fantastic. Guys, if you like what we're doing here, like, share, subscribe. Enable those notifications so you get notified as soon as we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Cheers.